Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you another Visual Studio Code tutorial, which is about how to replace all words in your Visual Studio Code script. So, first of all guys, if you don't have Visual Studio Code in your PC, just go ahead and download it through your browser. You can get it from the URL section, just go ahead and search for Visual Studio Code. So, Visual Studio Code, here we go, and or not Visual Studio Code I mean, and from here guys you just have to go ahead and click on download for Windows from here. Now after you start installing it, you'll have just to pick which languages do you like to start scripting with or using. Like Python, you can choose C, C Sharp, HTML, and so on. So I highly suggest you to choose all the famous languages, because later on it will be kind of complicated for you to choose or add the language to your software. So now how can you actually replace all the scripts in your Visual Studio Code? First of all, there is multiple ways to do that. The first one of them, so let me just type something here, so which is gonna be something like hi YouTube and welcome to my channel, for example. So something like that. So let me just repeat this like a couple times. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Now, how can we actually replace all the words or all the text? You can do that through multiple ways. First of all, if you want to select all these words that are similar, you can just go next to a word from them. So go to the left side and then click on Control L. What it will do, this one will actually select all the text. So if you click on Control Shift L, it will select the whole like letters that are similar. So if you choose like Control L, exactly, it will select all, which is basically like Control A, which is just selects all the code, and Control Shift L, which gonna like only select now the word that you want. Now, in order to replace them, you just have now, like you have them now hovered, so they are selected. So all you need to do is just type whatever you'd like. So for example, I want to replace them with hello. So that's it. That's how you can change it. And if you want to replace the whole text, you can just go here, go back, and Control L, and you can do something like hi everyone, and then click on enter, and here you go, you have replaced all. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah guys, that was it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.